Good day, everyone. I am Shireen C. Epis, and today I am going to tackle about the two remaining topic of philosophical perspectives on education. The remaining two remarkable educators or philosophers. They are Theodore Bramild from Social Reconstructionism and Paulo Freire for Critical Pedagogy. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to explain the core principles of social reconstructionism and critical pedagogy and identify how education reflects societal needs and promotes social change. Create a simple classroom activity or project based on Bramill's social reconstructionism and Freire's critical pedagogy that addresses current societal issues. Demonstrate openness to critical reflection and value education's role in promoting social justice and social transformation. I will show you a picture of social issues. Example, poverty or bullying. So, what role do you think education plays in solving or maintaining these issues? Alright. Education teaches values, critical thinking, and skills that help people improve their lives and communities. Let's now tackle of the first philosopher, Theodore Bramild of Social Reconstructionism. So what is social reconstructionism? According to Theodore Bramild, is an educational philosophy viewing schools as primary agents for reforming society and solving critical global problems like war, poverty, and inequality. It argues for a curriculum centered on the real-world issues where students act as an active critical thinkers and social change agents to create a more just democratic world. Yes, Bramall believes schools should lead society, not just follow it. Education is a tool to reform systems that are unfair, like corruption or unequal access to schooling. Teachers are agents of change who push students to propose real solutions. Example, designing a campaign for clean water shows students that their education has immediate community value. So let's move on to Paulo Freire critical pedagogy. Is a transformative educational approach that empowers students to critically analyze and challenge oppressive power structures in their world, moving beyond rote learning to develop critical consciousness through dialogue and problem posing, ultimately leading to action and liberation. The banking model, Freire's term for traditional teaching where students are passive piggy banks for facts. Dialogue, instead of a lecture, the teacher and student talk as partners to discover truth. In critical thinking, students learn to question power structures like why some people are treated differently than others. For example, the dialogue circle. Okay, class, in a dialogue circle, I am not just deposing information into your heads. We are talking together about the real problems like discrimination. By doing this, we are not just memorizing definitions. We are learning to question the world around us and find ways to make it more just. Right, I want to check your understanding by this question. So, what did Freire call education where students are just passive recipients? Correct, it's banking model. Paulo Freire used this term to criticize traditional teaching where the teacher deposits facts into students' minds as if they were empty bank accounts. It treats students as passive objects rather than active thinkers. For your assignment, In 5 to 7 sentences, answer the question, how can I, as a future teacher, use education to promote social justice and social transformation? That will be all. Thank you.